Unraveling Prune Back, a gardener's phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's as handy in language as it is in gardening. Prune back. Whether you're looking to expand your vocabulary or just curious about this common expression, you're in the right place. When we talk about prune back, we're referring to the action of cutting off parts of a plant to encourage growth or maintain its shape. But it's not just about hacking away at branches. It's a careful process to improve the plant's health and appearance. In gardening, to prune back means to selectively remove branches, stems, or roots. It's a vital part of plant care, ensuring they grow more robust and produce more flowers or fruits. It's about strategic cutting to improve the plant's overall well-being. Metaphorically, prune back can be applied to anything that involves reducing, simplifying, or eliminating the unnecessary. It could refer to cutting down expenses, streamlining a workflow, or even reducing the number of friends on social media to those you truly connect with. Let's see how this phrase takes root in everyday language. The editor decided to prune back the article to make it more concise. Our team needs to prune back the project's scope to meet the deadline. And that's prune back for you. We hope this video helps you cultivate a deeper understanding of this phrase and maybe even inspires you to do some pruning of your own, be it in your garden or your life. Happy learning, and see you next time.